So I think it gets installed this Bellark Advisor. I'm just skipping this method. So local area network जब भी आता, you have to skip your this option. Okay. So my Bellark Advisor is installed in my PC. So can you able to see my screen, right? Okay. So can anyone can tell from my screen whether my system is protected from antivirus or not? Whether my antivirus program is protecting my PC or not, or my laptop or not? Can anyone can tell can see my from the security status of my laptop and can say yes, there are two security features, correct? So is it like something like security updates is different and antivirus is different? Is it like it depends upon your security to security, right? So there are like as per the Venkatrama Sharma ji. So you are told like there are two security updates missing, right? Correct. So can you tell me like what about my virus protection? Is it secure or not secure? It is protected, right? And there is a two security updates missing, right? So can you see my result and can you tell me what is the OS I'm using here? What kind of OS I'm using in my case here? What is the operating system version? Yes, correct. OS is Windows 8.1, correct. Sharma ji, Sanjeev ji, Rohit ji. Yeah, correct. So basically your Bellark Advisor tool gives you the complete information of your inventory, right? And also it also gives you what is the security updates missing and what are the various virus protections are there, whether it is a updated one, whether it is available or not, and all this. Okay, just you can see here like all your so what is the OS version and what is the boot mode and what is the processor and what are the how many drives are there and what are the modules, whether it is missing or not. So such kind of information you can see here. Okay, so can anyone can tell what is the speed of the RAM I'm using in my laptop right now? So everything is given, right? Okay, 8108 means I'm using a 8 GB RAM, right? So can anyone can tell what is how many slots I'm using in my RAM right now in my laptop by seeing my screen? Can anyone can tell from the screen by seeing my results how many slots I'm using? One slot is used, correct? So one slot is, yeah, out of two I'm using one slot, correct? Yes. So this is the information which I am getting from the Bellark, right? So you can see like USB also. How many users are created? Like I have a how many users are local user accounts? One admin is created, right? And can you tell me like why this question mark cross is there? So can you able to see my there are some users are created, right? Okay, some user accounts are already created there. So I has a yeah, disabled. Okay, has a security person security analysis. I disabled the administrator account, right? And also like I disabled my guest account. Okay, because there is a no need of administrator. Okay, because why I have disabled the administrator account here? Can anyone can tell can throw a light on this issue? Why I purposely disabled the administrative account as well as guest account? Can anyone can tell me why I done this thing? Instead of I created a user a admin account, because a administrator is having a full privilege, right? Full privilege, and once a administrator account compromise, a hacker or attacker, yeah, to avoid a misuse, correct? So in order to avoid such kind of things, as a security analyst or security as a security person, what I done is I just disabled my admin can abuse, correct? So these are the some of the things which I got a through tool. Okay, so next we'll see one more tool like how you can enable it. Okay, how you can see like each and every there are some n number of options are there, right? There are n number of options are there. How to enable it, how to disable it, and what are the options it should have. So such kind of things we'll see each one by one. Okay. So for the admin account, I just enabled it and I given some privilege also. Okay, and also you can see like there is a what are the softwares also installed, right? So there are some softwares which are installed in my PC. Okay, you can see that from the top panel in the what exactly the printers display, other devices, communications, what are the communications happened, and you can also see like how many members are used USB storage in the past 30 days, right? So you can see like HP device is there, Toshiba is used, SanDisk is used. These are the list of devices which have been used in. Yes, correct. Kaspersky is my antivirus. Correct, Sharmaji. Correct. So these are the some of the softwares, and it also gives the. You can just check my Kaspersky antivirus here. See here my Kaspersky antivirus, which is installed in my PC. Okay. So it gives the complete information with respect to the what exactly has been installed. Okay. And you can also see you can just go down. You can see the what are the software licenses also in your PC, and what are the softwares your versions and usage, right? These are the list of software usage which I'm using right now in my laptop. Okay. So unnecessary, if it is not required, you can uninstall it, right? So you can uninstall from your control panel, right? Hope you know how to uninstall the programs from your PCs, right? From your PCs or laptops. So what are the things which is required? You have to keep those options, and remaining you can uninstall it. So some questions, I guess, please show the list of scanner tools again. Okay, I'll just show it after this demo. Okay, so I think these are the things which you have to see. I think if you have the internet connectivity, can you just install the Bellark Advisor in your PC and tell me? Yes, I believe correct. Adobe Shockwave Flash Player is also enabled. Yes, correct. It is enabled. So here you can see the list. Okay, in I see there is a one question mark, and there is a 4 question marks. Okay, here you can see the what exactly. I marks software list updated within 7 days. Okay, that means what exactly, whether you are using on a proper time when it is updated. So whether software is installed at what time, if it is installed at what time, and when it is updated. So but it has no support any longer. Yes, correct. So at that time, so what I have to do, I have to uninstall it, right? So I have to uninstall it because I'm using a Adobe Reader here. So I have to uninstall it. Okay. So uninstalling done from the control panel. Okay. So these are the some of the one of the tool actually which gives you the your security post of your laptops or of your OS and Windows OS. Okay. Yeah. So you can come. So if you just go to the doc, these things, I'll come to the list of the tools which is required. I think some member have posted on question. Yeah. What about the security updates coming in red color? Yes, I will show that. Okay, these are the security updates. So if I click this, so here I am seeing like what is the where it is? Yeah, yeah. Here you can see like what is the hotfix, okay, and whether it is how to install it. Okay, so if you just click this thing, so you will be redirected to the security patches which is required for your PC. Okay, so I have to update. I have to download this KB file. Okay, so just go down because when I was about to install the packages, okay, but when I because of the time and all those things, I just restarted it. So that's what it given a error. Okay. Yes, correct, sir. You are using Kingsoft Office Chinese version instead of Open Office or MS Office. Yes, correct. Kingsoft Office or MS Office, Open MS Office we are using. Correct. MS Office we are using. So we have to uninstall it. These are some of the programs we have to uninstall it. So what exactly this tool is giving? So unnecessary tools and unnecessary packages or unnecessary softwares which are there in your PC, you have to uninstall it, right? So these are the some of the things which you can do. So I request you to install this Bellark Advisor, and I should say like what is your security? How many updates are missing your PCs? Just download it and install it in your PCs. Okay, I want to see what is your what are the missing updates and what are the security updates in your PC, whether it is happening or not, whether how what is the score. I think hope all you are using a Windows 10 or Windows 8.1, or you are using any how many members are using Windows 7? Anyone using Windows 7? Anyone using Windows 7? Okay, Windows 10. Ashok ji has told he is using Windows 10. So what about others? So I think hope all are using Windows 10. Correct. So can you install this Bellark Advisor and can you tell me? Yeah, please share the link for download. Yeah, I'll be sharing that link. Just be online. Bellark